Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba Prestun Tensong hakajan met Jingkieng ulai thu baka Sorkar kala Pynkhreh shat ban shnano raka Jingkieng Thymmai halor kawa Umiam habakran bakila pakai khubor harian ka jingalang joka NPP usembut Menteri Rangba ulaong bagi IT ru haka Chief Secretary ban pet halor ka jinyat ki kali kitmar khia najrong ka Jingkieng ba menta kabala rembha
carrying capacity. We have already entrusted Chief Secretary along with the District Administration Council to work out the modalities, how to restrict the carrying capacity of each carrying or loaded trucks. That is one. And then number two, from PUD side, in fact now I think 3-4 months back, we have already engaged one consultant because we wanted to divert that bridge. As we all know, the lifespan of that bridge is more than over. So therefore, we have already engaged from PUD, we have already engaged a consultant to identify alternative for that. And the identification is still on. And let me just tell you, I think there is one space which is occupied by the army people for boating services. I think nearby of that place, we will connect directly to that, what they call it, that Nehru Park, to Nehru Park. But that I can't say right now unless the detailed examination is done by the expert whom we already engaged for surveying and then to also go for the detailed soil test.